Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Before starting the video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Today we're gonna make a South Indian snack called Appam. It is a sweet tea time snack and we're gonna prepare this recipe using rice. So let's get started with the ingredients. First, we need soaked rice. The rice was soaked for 5 to 6 hours, melted jaggery, and some bananas. These are 4 bananas. These are ripe 4 bananas. First, in a grinder, mix rice and some jaggery syrup and blend it well. It should be in a smooth consistency also. Make sure this is a pouring consistency so that it's easier to make. Then slice up some bananas and put them in a jar and add some more melted jaggery into the jar and blend it well. If you do not want to have more sweet in your Appam, then you can avoid adding jaggery at this time because it's gonna be sweet already. So here we have added some jaggery. After grinding the bananas, add them into the rice mixture and mix them well until smooth consistency. Make sure, do not forget to mix it well. This will combine the taste of the banana and the rice so that the Appam will come out fabulous. If you don't mix well the bananas and the rice, it wouldn't get the nice flavor of the bananas or the rice or maybe the jaggery, so it's hard. It won't be as tasty as it will be when you mix it better. Then we have to keep it closed for 6 hours and mix it well after 6 hours like this. Now add some black sesame seeds. You can add how much sesame seeds you love. I would prefer to add more, but if you don't like sesame seeds, you can add the least. And mix all well together. Now add some cardamom powder. This is half a teaspoon of cardamom powder. It's up to you again. If you don't like too much flavorings, then you can add less cardamom. I'm just telling a usual amount of cardamom you need. And then mix it well again and add the roasted coconuts. I have roasted the coconuts way long before, so I also prefer you to do that. Now I'll just add, this is for more crispiness inside the Appam. That will just taste really good. And also mix it well so that all the parts of the batter gets the pieces evenly, and it's really tasty when you mix coconut and the batter. Then let's cook this. So this is an Appam pot. We have heated the oil in it, and now pour the Appam batter inside the pot and make sure the oil is heated enough so that the Appam will rise up. So we haven't added any baking soda or baking powder, so this is good for your health. And make sure you pour only half of the batter inside the pot because you don't want your unyapam to stick with each other. Now cook it for a while, and when the sides get to a brown color, make sure you flip it. So our unyapam has turned a little brown, and you can see the edges are already brown. So we've just flipped it, and we have to cook it for the other side so that it will get evenly cooked and the same color on both sides will be equal and good looking. The oil may splatter, so make sure you don't stay too much near the oil or you're well protected. Now we have to cook this for 1 to 2 minutes on each side, and after, so you can see that our unyapam is ready, really in the same color on both sides. It is equally cooked, and make sure the inside of the unyapam is also cooked, so you have to check that also. Now I'll strain the oil so the excess oil doesn't stain unyapam, and then take out the unyapam and serve it on a tissue paper so it just soaks all the oil from the unyapam and it just doesn't make it more oily. Here I've removed all of the unyapams from the pot. You can make how much unyapam you like according to the batter. We have made a lot. So here, our unyapam is ready. These are cooked well, so we're gonna show this how it looks. So you can see that it is really well cooked from the inside. You can see the sesame seeds from there, and you can feel the sponginess in the unyapam. That's really well. Thanks for watching.